take place transistors take the place of the vacuum tubes. Now the question number 4 is give the full form of the following. Here some forms are given. We have to write the abbreviation of that. LSI, large scale integration. LSI means large scale integration. VLSI, very, V stand for very, L for large scale integration. Both were used in 4th generation computer. ENIAC, it is the first electronic digital computer. So ENIAC stand for electronic numerical integration and calculator. Yes, student, ENIAC stand for electronic numerical integration and calculator. IBM is International Business Machine. IBM is a company name. International Business Machine. The last one is IC. IC stand for integrated circuit. The last is activity number 5. Unjumble the letters to identify the calculating device. Here some letters are given. We have to understand what's the device name is given. The number is Babbage. The first one is Babbage engine. The second one is Abacus. The third one is Pascaline. I hope so, student, you all understand the exercise of the chapter number 1. Allah Hafiz.